Hey guys, it's me Dasha and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try to do like emo girl makeup. I've never tried it before and I thought it was a good idea to do this makeup today for my YouTube channel. If you have never tried this makeup before, you can join my video and let's do this together. I've checked lots of TikTok videos, so I'm going to try to make something out of that. So let's get started. So let's start with the cushion. So I'm gonna use this one. I want to apply my Pore Professional Hydrate Primer, but it doesn't work on my face. I don't know why, but seems like my face is super dry today, so I just wanted to use something to make it less dry. Ooh. After that, I use a concealer in the lightest shade and apply it under the eyes, on my nose and on the chin, and I also use it to cover the redness on my face. Next, I use a second concealer because it's a thicker one and covers my pimples better than the first one. And it's time for contouring. I contour my nose and also my cheekbones and forehead a little bit. I have a video about my nose contouring, and if you are interested in it, you can watch it on my YouTube channel. Yes. Next we move on to the highlighter. It's the same as usual, and I apply the highlighter on my cheekbones, my nose and a little bit above my lip. But for this makeup I decided to mix two colors, pink and gold ones. We're moving on to the eye makeup, and I think it is the hardest part of this makeup in general because I just found this picture on Pinterest. Okay, never mind. Okay, let me do something with that. Okay guys, now I'm going to do my eye makeup. Finally, and I'm going to make it as pink as possible, plus I'm going to put some black eyeshadow on the lower eyelid, to make it look more sassy and a little messy. Guys, this is really the hardest part of this makeup because I don't have my favorite eyeliner with which I could do it perfectly. So I have to try really hard to get it right for this makeup. And I think one of the main things in this makeup is thick eyeliner. So I will try to make them thick and beautiful at the same time. It really took me about 20 minutes to do it, and during this process I ran out of all the eyeliners I had. But this is what I got. I'm doing my eyebrow makeup now, and I want to make the tip of the eyebrow sharper and the eyebrows a little bit darker. And I also want to add one special detail with the concealer. I want to create a slit eyebrow effect. Now I'm fixing my makeup and adding a little more color. I think for this makeup it's a good idea to add some glitter, and I put it on the lower eyelid and a white glitter shadow in the corner of my eyes. And guys, I also add a lot of blush to my nose and cheeks, and I want to mix two pink shades to make the effect more vivid. We move on to the lip makeup. First, I use a lip pencil to visually make my upper lip look bigger and reshape it slightly for this makeup. Then I use a matte lipstick and try to make some gradient on the lips. And it's time for details. I decided to add some freckles with my eyeliner, but you know, this eyeliner is almost finished, so the effect will be more natural. By the way, I have my natural freckles, but in winter they disappear. I'm putting on mascara right now, and I was thinking about using false eyelashes on my lower eyelid because I have some. So I think this detail would make my makeup look more sassy and cool. So guys, that was it. What do you think about my makeup? Do you like it or not? Write your opinion in the comments down below. And do you like this, guys? Do you like the result? Because I do. Oh my god, I like my hair. I love it so much. I love my look very much. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please tell me if you like this video or not, and I'm gonna see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.